It's always nice to get a parcel, and this one arrived today, and it's from a fellow YouTuber. But which one? Let's open her up and have a look. Always intriguing when you get a mystery parcel. Well, would you look at that? I think I know who this is from. This is a bit of a dig, I think, because I haven't gone and made him one. You see, you might remember this video. Yep. Oh, DBO 180's out of control! And when we did this video, we have made a little wager. And the wager was, whoever can get the most views within a week is the winner, and the other person has to make them a bottle opener of some description. And the thing is, I lost, and I think he's been expecting his bottle opener and he hasn't got it, and he's now made me one, maybe just as a bit of a, hey, get your ass in gear. So thanks for that, Rob. I will go grab a beer and give it a try. But look, on the bench here, hello, look, this is your prototype, and I better get my ass in gear and finish building it, eh? So you put your top in there, opens nicely. I had started filming it, honestly. I'll cut to that footage now, and we'll make this thing, eh? So this is a waratah, the end of a waratah that's been cut off. It's not the best, is it? I've given up on that idea. Here's the prototype of the new one.
I'm standing 90 miles north of the Arctic Circle in front of an amazing vista. There's something of a Grand Canyon type chasm in front of us. Above it sits a small city. We can see the colours of all the different wooden houses in front of us, the reds, greens and yellows. We can see some high-rise blocks, we can see offices, and we can hear some mine workings in the background. And the extraordinary thing, the quite amazing thing, is that this city is going to have to move because it's about to fall into the chasm and the mine workings.
We are on level 540 meters. We have 400 kilometers of maintained road within the mine. So it's the biggest underground mine for iron ore in the world.
The mine here at Kiruna in the far north of Sweden has been worked for more than 100 years. 1.5 billion tonnes of iron ore has been extracted since 1900. Producing 90% of Europe's ore, it's already so big.
Before I take it to the next step, better check it works. Oh yeah.
Behind us we have all our operations here in Kiruna, the mountain Kirunavaara, where the mining started at the top, and beneath it we have all the infrastructure of the mine going all the way down to 1,365 meters below the old top of the mountain.
Anders Lindberg is from the state-owned mining company LKAB, whose slag heaps and processing plants dominate this landscape.
And the ore body is 4 kilometers long, stretching from the south towards north, towards the city center. And our mine reaches all the way down.
So there we go, fairly shiny. You've got to leave a few marks and things on it, scratches and stuff, just to make it look like it's homemade. Don't want it to look like somebody bought it. It's got to look like it's been worked on by a real human being.
But this is spectacular with such sharp cliff faces. The snow, of course, picking out every bit of the terracing.
Yeah.
And just at the moment, the sun is catching the city on the opposite side from us. But there's a massive chasm between the mine working here and the city on the other side.
Yeah, and this is exactly how we want it to be, believe it or not. The mining technique we are using means that the ground, the rock above the iron ore body, should be sinking down and filling out the cavities. That stabilizes the entire mine, so we don't get any sudden collapses. We let the mine collapse bit by bit, slowly, every day. So it looks very dramatic, but this is the result of a slow process.
Rob, I have a little complaint. She's a tad messy. Oh, for fuck's sake.
World is so unbearable, like wearing socks with sandals.
When a congressman grew concerned for the welfare of rooftop sentries at the Capitol building, who didn't ever seem to stir from their position or enjoy a moment's relief, he was quietly informed that they were in fact dummies, and that their anti-aircraft guns were wooden models. There was no point in wasting men and munitions on a target that was never going to be hit.
Really, we break the winds as much as we can, and then we have to take care of the snow. And since we're building a more compact city, that is a challenge. And
this is snow clearance. Really,
snow clearance, what we're doing.
It becomes so deep that actually
Yes,
you have
yes.
mountains of snow to move, and then actually where to put it.
Yeah, where to put it. So what we've done is to create pockets for snow storage within the city, and also to use these green corridors that reaches in from the outside and into the city as snow storage. And that is also a good point, because the melting water can be returned back to the rivers and the streams where it belongs. I very much think that what Kiruna can develop that is unique is the relationship between this concentration around the city square and the blocks around it, and a nice and interesting relationship with the surrounding landscape. That is the vision that I think catches people's imagination here.
And your hope, I think, is that anybody living in the new Kiruna would be 20 minutes from the centre, but also 20 minutes from the wilderness.
Yes, absolutely. Or why not
best of
say
all
5 or
worlds.
10 minutes to the wilderness, actually. At least if you're going on skis.
So the people are on one side. The town council is equal with the company.
Do you mean equal in the sense of hand in hand?
Yes, hand in hand. And so it is, if you take a biblical metaphor, it's David and Goliath.
David and Goliath,
Yeah,
yes.
So I've got another issue with your bottle opener, Rob. It doesn't seem to open this style of beer. And it's not often a problem, but every now and again it is. I mean, this one also comes with some pain in the ass, dolphin-proof packaging lid things, because dolphins, I'm sure you're probably aware, they used to get drunk, and they would, after they've drunk the beers, they'd play with the dolphin stranglers, as they were called, that held all the cans together. They'd get pissed, they'd play with those, they'd get them hooked on their snout, and then it was good night nurse, poor little dolphin. So they've made these new environmentally friendly ones, which ironically have about 100 times at least, I would imagine, the plastic that the old ones did. But maybe they dissolve as soon as they hit salt water. I don't know. Oh, they're made from 100% recycled dolphins, so it's all good. Anyway, you've got to sort of wrestle and prise and to get one out. But then when you have got one out, Rob, what's going on, mate? I can't get it to open. And it's a text from Rob. Look at that. Wow. I'm just doing a video about you, mate. I'll reply to you in a second. So, Rob, can you solve that problem? A beer, one of these aluminium bottle openers. I think they're called cans. Don't know. See if you can solve that one. Yeah, g'day, Rob. Yeah, tools. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, I've done it. No, I've done it. No, honest. It's in my hand. It's finished. I've done the bloody thing. Yeah. No, it's good. It works good. No, it works real good. Well, it takes the bloody tops off, doesn't it? Yeah. No, but you're going to have to come and get it. Yeah, well, I'm not driving down to wherever the hell you live. You live in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. Well, just next time you're coming by, just pop in and get it. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm drinking a beer home with it now. Yeah. Okay. No, that's cool. Yeah. I haven't got all day, mate. Yeah, cool. Okay. Yeah. I'll see you later. When are you putting out another video? Oh, okay. Private. Yeah, no, it's all cool. Okay, sweet. See you. My miter saw is currently at a job site, so I've got a bit more space to do this wrap up of the video here. Came out pretty good, bit faint there on the branding, but I fixed that one up with a heated up washer. So it's had 4 coats of clear coat on there, and I tried it out last night. Still opens bottles perfectly fine. So Rob will be here shortly to pick this up. So that's it. Hopefully he's happy with it. G'day Rob, how's it going, mate?
Oh, good, mate.
I've finally done it. I've finally
done it.
Done your bottle opener.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, sweet, man. Rob T. Nice. I like that, man. What sort of wood is it?
Vitex and Calophyllum.
Calophyllum. Shit. I don't even know what that is. That's nice, man. Rob T, that's me.
Took a while, but finally done. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, they both work.
They both work.
Cheers.
All right, cheers, man.
Drink up.